Hi everyone, what's up? Josh here today with the Izzo Vivi PID home espresso machine. Let's go ahead and make a coffee and we'll talk about its features. And whilst you're enjoying this video, go ahead and hit that like button along with the subscribe, as it does help our channel grow and allows us to do more reviews on more coffee gear, and we always do appreciate it. This machine is both stylish and easy to use. The sleek design and modern touches make it that perfect addition to almost any kitchen. So no matter your skill level with coffee machines, you can make your favorite espresso drinks in just a few simple steps. And this machine is made fully out of stainless steel. That means it's built to last and it won't easily corrode. And with a complete set of accessories that come with it, I'm going to tell you today that the Izzo Vivi is a true Italian-made espresso machine, and with plenty of features that enhance its performance, it matches its value well and in areas exceeds it, and it is worth every bit of your consideration for your next home espresso machine. So to begin with, this machine has a generous 2-litre removable water tank. I will say it is a little tricky to get out from up top, though it can remain in there to be filled up. Built into the water tank is a trusted magnetic low water alarm, so this machine will begin beeping once the water is low. Not out, but low. And this is much appreciated, and it means that you'll be able to complete any espresso brewing that you have going on and then filling up the tank. In my experience, there are a lot of machines out there that when you're pulling a shot, it'll just stop midway through because you've run out of water. But I'm here to tell you the good news, with the Izzo Vivi, that's not gonna happen. Internally, we've got a 1.8 litre heat exchanging boiler using a large 1400 watt element. It is best to leave this machine warming up for at least 8 to 12 minutes on startup. Also, giving it one quick flush in the middle of warming up is going to help cycle hot water through the bulky E61 Grouphead. But once it is heated up, the benefits of this system are that it's going to be quick to recover from back-to-back coffees made with reliable and consistent temperature stability, and then there's going to be no trouble brewing coffee and steaming milk at the same time. In adjusting the PID display, which is quick and easy to set, I have it set right now at 127 degrees Celsius, and you can also do Fahrenheit. And then that will give me the temperature at the group head for brewing water at a very consistent 94 degrees Celsius. And I've never found the Vivi to have that typical superheated water out of the group head, you know, where it just steams out. But by all means, you can give it a quick flush prior to brewing. Now, the Vivi has what some would refer to as soft pre-infusion at the group head, which is a little different to pre-infusion, where it is a slow ramp up to pressure. And you lift the lever to begin brewing, and then seen on the left manometer, it takes around 6 seconds or so to reach that full 9 bars of pressure. A huge plus in the Izzo Vivi out of the box is that it's pumping at a perfect 9 bars of pressure for brewing, so there's no need to adjust any OPV. With the addition to the shot timer and the PID display, this all helps you keep track of your espresso extraction. And one particular detail I enjoy about the Izzo Vivi's group head is the shower screen, which doesn't have a screw interrupting its full surface, and this improves the distribution of water onto your bed of coffee. So with great temperature stability coupled with soft pre-infusion, brewing on the Vivi does produce naturally sweet and balanced espressos and helps you consistently brew delicious coffee each time. Now, with that summing up the espresso side of things, now we're going to take a look at the steam tap and hot water on the Vivi. And these actually come in 2 styles. We've either got this lever style that you can flick on and off, or you can get turn style knobs, whichever you prefer. Now, there is plenty of steam on the Izzo Vivi with a 2-hole steam tip, and the manometer on the right there is going to let you know how much pressure you have within your steam boiler. Now, these are cool touch steam ones, so they're not that typical one with the rubber handles found on them, as you don't need them. They only really stay warm through use. The hot water tap This shoots out water, which is great for black tea or cleaning glasses, but for coffee, it's probably just a tad too hot to be drinking straight away. Otherwise, both of these ones are very easy to maneuver in any direction or angle that you prefer to have them on. What more can I say about this machine? Oh yeah, the double-walled side panels. Now, this makes it cool to touch, and you can have this machine up against a wall. However, the cup tray up top keeps all those cups nice and hot. It is a reasonably compact machine too for its power, the performance, and all of those features. So in summary, I guess its biggest con I can say is the water tank. Not the size or the magnetic alarm, but just really getting access to it under 2 trays. However, those features like soft pre-infusion, PID, shot timer, and cool touch wands, for a heat exchanging espresso machine with a full stainless steel body construction, I would honestly say this is more than just an all-rounder machine. It really is up there for a solid contender for one of the best heat exchanging espresso machines for its value, and it should get way more credit than it does. So if you're in the market for a new espresso machine, one that can perform at an incredibly high level, then the Izzo Vivi may just be the one you're looking for. And you can find it from this link up above. If you have any further questions on this machine, chuck them in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to follow up with you. Thanks for watching to the very end of this video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.